I've popped back to the house where I've just done the 2 bathrooms because a lot of people in the comments always say, oh, was the customer happy? And I spoke to Stu and Lou earlier on and just said, can I pop back later on and just film a little bit and just have a little bit of a chat with you about the whole process we've done with the 2 bathrooms, and like me as a tradesman being in your house for what seemed like well, it was about a month, give or take, and we've had things like the Jubilee and stuff like that in between. So I said to him, can I swing in and just give a bit of an oversight, because I don't think I've ever done that on the channel, and I think it'd be quite nice. So we'll pop in now and just have a chat with them and just see how things are going. Right, so I've interrupted their tea. As I said, I've swung back in this evening just to get their reaction and just a bit of an overview of the 2 bathrooms that I've done for Stu and Lou. Can't write it, can you, Stu and Lou? Because I'm conscious of when you're in someone's house for this amount of time, probably a month or so, give or take, you know, various days here and there, you're conscious of keeping everything clean and tidy and all that sort of stuff. And I know as people watch the channel, they always say, what are the customers' reactions to you being in and this, that and the other. So I spoke to them and they were like, yeah, swing by, we'll have a look. So what we'll do, I'll take you up and show you the first bathroom we've done, and we can just talk through a little bit of why we took it out, why we put it in as we have, and then we'll move to the second bathroom. Just a bit of an insight. So we'll go up. This was the first bathroom that we'd done, but I can't remember, where was it? Was there a basin? The toilet was here, wasn't it? I can't even remember.
Yeah, that's
toilet
right.
was there. Basin was there. Where was the towel rail? Behind the door. That's right. There was nothing.
Yeah,
nothing there, and they had a shower tray that was squared off.
Yeah.
Now that was a talking point, wasn't it? So as you can see, this bathroom is fairly small, and Stu wanted the square one. Is that right? You wanted the square one, didn't you?
For the extra space.
That's it, for the extra space inside there.
Yeah.
Whereas Lou wanted the arch one. And then, of course, as customers do, what's your opinion, Mark? What would you think? And I went, right, okay, sitting on the fence. But I sort of went for the curved one because it frees up walking into here for the base, and you found that worked a treat, didn't you?
It's the right decision, yeah.
Yeah, because we went round the houses, didn't we, and I sort of even laid it out on the floor to show that
I actually like to think it was because I'm the boss that we made that decision.
Yeah,
but,
that's it. You said to me, look, Matt, I'm the boss. No matter what Stu says, we just go with that.
But actually, it's plenty of room in there, and the curved shower doesn't kind of restrict that room at all. And we love the fact that there's no kind of what we've chosen. There's no like black.
That was a massive thing, wasn't it? Because you was quite conscious, you weren't you, of keeping the space in here.
Yeah.
And if we put a square tray in here, as you know, you'd have to have that column in the middle. So A, you'd have lost the space going into here. B, it wouldn't look aesthetically right.
Yeah.
But what was that? A 900 by 700, wasn't it?
900 by, I can't remember, to be honest.
900 by 1200.
800 by 1200.
We'll get there in the end.
Yeah,
800 by 1200.
Yeah, that's right.
And you don't find that restrictive in there, do you?
No,
and that was your concern, wasn't it?
It would have been the wrong decision not to go for the curve.
Yeah.
But yeah, you don't notice it. It's,
no.
And we love the fact that you've levelled off, like as you step into the shower, like whereas before we had to step up into our shower.
That was built up probably 3 inches, wasn't it, off the floor. So we managed to get that down. There was a lot of faffing around under the floor, and from the first video, I remember, I think I said to you, didn't I, it feels like I'm not getting anywhere.
Yeah.
And then when you watched the video back, you went, I can see the amount of work that's gone in under the floor to be able to sink the tray down, because we had to alter the waste under the floor, into the stack. And again, that's right, I remember now, it come off at different angles, didn't it?
Yeah.
So we managed to get that right back, which is perfect. And we've covered it up with the box in there.
And I think for the small space that it is, we've made the best of what we can with the space. Yeah,
it's a nice, modern, contemporary looking bathroom with the floating unit, the black fittings.
Yeah.
But like I said to you, with black, you've just got to stay on the ball with it, especially because where we live, the water in here round here is hard water, so it does lime up a lot, but I see you're on the ball with it, keeping it clean.
Yeah, I'm a little bit obsessed every day with my clock.
Oh yeah, you want it looking right, don't you? And again, that shower looks really well in there as well. The black riser with the black tray, with the black shower, works a treat.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this was the first one, and you was chuffed to bits with this.
Yeah.
I think it's turned out really well.
Better than we thought.
That's right. I remember you saying you was like, and that as an installer, when your customer says to you, they've got a picture in their mind. The customer's always got that picture in their mind, and when they come to you and they say it's better than what we thought it was going to be, I'll take that all day long. So yeah, I'm quite happy. I'm quite happy with that. But yeah, so that was the first one, quite a modern looking one, and then we moved on to this one. Now I think this looks really, really well. Just as we said, it's like that end of the house is the modern sort of side, and this end is oh look, you put the little bits in,
It's work in progress, the accessory,
but that just finishes it. Everyone's got to have the rolled up town. But just like that, just them little bits again, break it up and it becomes its own thing. And you said once they went on, that just give it a different look again. But just from having that, and as soon as you added the mirror and Nick put the lights in, and I think, are you keeping that door?
Yeah, oh yeah.
You're keeping it like that?
Yeah.
See, I've got a picture earlier on with the key in it. A picture from there that way with the key in it onto there. I'll send them over to you later.
Oh yeah, nice.
It looks really good.
I want to try and keep as much as the original as I can, as long as it's functional.
Yeah.
Then I want to try and keep this because it makes although it's because that's an extension that the back part of the house, the doors don't match, but I quite like that. I don't think I'll change it because otherwise you're getting rid of what's period to the house.
I think when Dave put that door back on today and put the strip back in, I was like, I hope you're not. I didn't know. I hope you're not putting a new door on because that just works a treat. Looks really well.
And we wanted that kind of old-fashioned style of, obviously with a kind of bit of a modern twist. But I think it's so different from that bathroom. And we just love all these taps are so nice.
All the heritage range. It's like I commented on this earlier. Just that around the plug. I just like that. I mean, heritage usually supplies just a chrome plug.
Oh, do they?
That's I like that.
We went to the showroom just up there, and we got all those little ideas. Again, they did a plain one, which doesn't have the same impact. Just a little touch.
Definitely. So when I got that out of the box and fitted it, I was like, I like that because it just ties in with that. You got heritage on the taps, obviously the bath. The taps there and
towel rail.
We nearly went for it. We thought we could have got a wider one, but we're so pleased we didn't because that just fits there.
It works with that. Well, you had in your mind. I remember when I came and quoted it, you was thinking of having something built there, wasn't you?
It went up into the so it was built into the pitch of the roof. I don't think that probably would have been the right, because I think it would have made the room seem smaller. So
I think just that works. And like you say, if you'd have gone for the bigger towel rail, in your mind you're thinking, we can get more towels on it, blah blah. But in reality, it's only going to. Of course. Originally, you was wanting the 2 basins, wasn't you?
2.
And then we went for the 1 basin, and it came, and it was a 600, and it just overpowered the room. So then we switched to the fourth. The fourth 500 basin.
So originally I wanted 2 basins, and now I've gone for a cloakroom basin.
But again, it's just the room for you two. It's fine.
Exactly.
I think that works really well.
And as for the freestanding bath, I mean, it's just.
It's fun to get up, Stu, wasn't it?
Yes. It was measured to the millimetre.
I'm glad I didn't see that coming up the stairs.
A millimetre bigger wouldn't have come up.
No, it wouldn't, would it? So I think I showed it in one of the previous videos. The stairwell down there has got like a null post in the middle, and even getting plasterboards up in a full sheet, I struggled. So when Stu measured it, but when we came to do that, I said, "Look, give me a hand up with it," and it was.
I measured the height, not the width. That was the problem.
That's right, but it was literally probably 5 mil. I would have recorded it, but there was a lot of effing and jeffing going on. But yeah, it looks amazing, absolutely stunning. And the half height tile, I think if you'd have full height tiled it wouldn't have worked.
We like the fact we've gone chrome in here around the lights.
Yeah.
The other one has white, but the chrome works well.
But yeah, you've got your knobs to everything, haven't you?
Yeah.
Again, better than we'd hoped for.
Yeah, absolutely.
See, again, that's 2 bathrooms, both of them. I'll take that. But yeah, so during the progress of this bathroom, we had the Jubilee weekend thrown in, which wasn't even in place when I quoted and gave you a timeline for the bathrooms. And then the plasterer was ill for a few days, which in turn knocked the tiler out. So there was a few things with this bathroom that didn't tally up timeline wise, and that really gets me because I like it to be. But it is what it is. We got around it, and as customers, Lou and Stu were just amazing. Look, Mark, stop stressing about it because it was beginning to really piss me off at times and stress me out. But they were great, and that's the whole key in building a rapport with your customers is keep them updated, let them know what's going on. And you know, I
think that was the point actually, that you totally communicated that with us. So we knew where we were stood, you know.
You could go, right,
exactly.
No one's into tomorrow, we can go about our day, this, that and the other. And as I said, having me in your house for a month, you know, I was coming out for breakfast. But no, I'm just really pleased that they've turned out better than what we thought.
We absolutely love it.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Good.
And all your kind of team around you have been fantastic.
Yeah, they are. Little shout out to all of them. They're good as gold.
Great.
So I hope you liked a little insight into, you know, the customers' view on tradesmen coming into their houses. Lou and Stuart have been absolutely great. Keep your customers updated on what's going on with the progress of bathrooms and whatever you're installing. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, all that sort of stuff. And I'll catch you on the next one.